Declan O'Reilly here, GHL Wizard, Rogue Master, whatever the fuck you want to call me. I'm here with a very important video, okay? And it's the GHL Communities aspect and why it's ultimately way better than Skool or Facebook groups. But not right now. Okay, so really quickly, hop in your GHL dashboard. Just speaking of, you can go all the way down to memberships. You're going to go to communities, and you're going to click login. Okay, take you right to your group. Okay, so before I get anything, I just want to say I had a group in here. Okay, I invited a bunch of people. I started because I have a big Facebook group, and I brought everyone in. I already said a decent amount of people, and it was terrible. Like, it absolutely sucked. Like, it was just so kludgy, so hard to use, like, super, like, buggy. So I'm going to go over a couple things why it's really bad. But here's the thing. The reason I created this video, okay, and I'm going to walk you through it real quick, but it's for the future. I promise you, in the future, this will be the greatest place to have it. Because not only do you have, access to any course you have right here, you can just add your courses. So it's like Skool, you have all of your stuff on one platform. It's on GHL, which means funnel builder, websites, emails, texts, forms, surveys, achievements. You can basically create a better system than any other platform. Facebook, Skool, you name it. You can crush it. But right now, yeah, it's not the best. So what I suggest you do is what I'm doing is build it out, get familiar with it, because in the future it will be the place to move to. Just not right now. So real quick, basically the way it works right now, and supposedly you're adding live streams and a bunch of other shit and DMing, but it starts off with channels, okay? You basically just click that, you add the channel name, description, you create it, and what the channel is, okay, like I created prospecting questions. You come here, they can pick whatever multimedia they want. What's it called? Topic or subject, and then the question they want to put. And the problem with this is that's like just so terrible is they don't have live streams, which they're adding. They're adding a bunch of stuff, but that's basically just how you post it. So right now it's super rudimentary, super dope because you can add courses. Like, so right here I can just add this. We'll do free, boom, and like out of the blue you got access to a full ass course, just like Skool. That is so valuable. When stuff really gets started, that is going to be so awesome. Like, so awesome. But right now, they don't have live streams. Their features are like meh at best. The login is like super shitty. Like, you log in and it takes you to like something. It'll be like something that these won't pop up. It's all over the place. And that's one of the problems. So the problems right now that they need to work on are obviously, let me quickly get back to communities. They need live stream feature, they need a DM feature, and they need a smooth login. Okay, from there, they clean up that. They have the, those three features, plus maybe, a little more customization features. They'll be golden. Because you come in here, and this is where you can set up all your stuff, putting in your URL, putting in your description, if you want to make it free or not, which is kind of cool because you can move this out of the way. You can have a paid group and whatnot, which can be really great. Branding. This is adding all your stuff, favicons, images, cover photos, any promotional links, any membership questions. And the thing is that's cool and all, but right now it's just not that great. And that's seriously like, it just stabs me in the heart because it's like I want to move right now because everything's in one place, but I can't right now. But for the future, this will be the best. I'm making a prediction, and I'm always right about my predictions. Do it. Okay, I promise you won't regret it. Learn the user interface. Now, if you are a GHL fanatic, if you are a fan, if you love this stuff, you need to get learning this stuff now because if you have a community in the future, you move them all in one place. Not only will your company value go up, because everything is in one ecosystem, funnels, websites, landing page, surveys, communities, groups, products, you name it, the entire ecosystem, but it's going to get a lot better. It's gonna get a lot better. So the big thing is to just really focus on, like, think for the future, come in, play with it. Like I said, I showed you how to do it. It's that simple. You create channels, you customize, that's it. Like, there's not really much to it, but it will get better. Quick thing right here. This is people. So moderators will be coming soon, but you would just add admins and you literally just invite people's emails. It's that simple for them to get in. And once you invite them, they're part of the group. You can see them. Only you can see the emails. They can't see the emails, which is great. But it is becoming better and better. And I plan to use this in the future. I think everyone should because it will be dope. But right now, it's just so bad. It's literally so bad. So if you're big on GHL and you have a community, you definitely want to move here. By the way, I have 30-day free trials down below for Go High Level. I also have a Go High Level course for you, completely free. You just smash that link down below. It'll give you a free 30-day free trial. Seriously, if you have Go High Level, you're interested, whatever you're doing, click the link. I promise you, you won't regret it because the course is fucking phenomenal. But a big thing too that I really want you to do is like, if you're new to this, Go High Level is incredible. It is the all-in-one, not marketing software, business and marketing software. You can do everything in it. You can literally take anybody, plug them into it. With a little work ethic, you can literally become decently wealthy or quit your 9 to 5 because of what you can do with this. Go High Level literally has so much functionality. That's why you got to get there. Also, when I go over this too a lot, reputation management, the local SEO aspect with the AI-powered ads, I have a free training on that too. That is what Go High Level really excels in, because if you can do that, you can sell to unlimited service-based businesses and actually crush it, because that's a valuable service. That's not just saying, oh, run your emails. You can get people leads with this. So definitely recommend you check that out. As always, DM me on Facebook if you have any questions, completely free. I will answer any of your questions. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions on this video, any updates. Seriously, open book. The comments, that's what they're there for. I want you guys to have the conversation, keep talking, create the, build the creative juices, sign up for free trial. But seriously, you really need to get this if you are, part of a community, you're growing a community, because in the future, I promise you, this will be unbeatable. You know about Go High Level. You know how they do this. They'll start, not the best, but when they get better and they get good, they'll crush it. It was like their landing page builder. Their landing page builder used to be dog shit. It was so bad. Now it's pretty good. Just like their websites. Their websites used to be bad. Now they're pretty good. Email marketing, good. Their courses, I don't use Kajabi anymore. I used to pay $200 a month for Kajabi. They have a course feature right here, and this goes hand in hand with, as you see right here, this is a course, so you can integrate your courses. If you're to pay for, stuff with communities and software, you're looking at close to $300, $400 just for those two. Go High Level's course builder is literally just as good as Kajabi's, if not better. And plus, you can integrate way better landing pages, so it's completely worth it. It's just so much better. Overall, guys, drop any comments if you have any questions below. This will be the big thing. Quick recap. You can come over here to, doing this stuff like add a channel. It's all you're going to click. Just put in the basic info description. Add your courses here by literally just clicking add course to make it easy. Seeing all your, members right through here. And to edit any of this stuff, you just come right here. This is basically, cover photos, descriptions, logos, simple stuff like that. And then these just take you home to basically the page where you access all this. And then right here, quick thing, view and edit your profile. This is how you can basically put like Declan O'Reilly, your logo, and that'll just take you to a spot where you can activate and add some social media links. It's kind of cool. It's like becoming a little social media platform. But that's it in a nutshell, guys. Seriously, comment down below, hit that sub, hit that like button, and subscribe for Go High Level, and let's get this shit started.